Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss Baer Law. There was a great scientist, great embryologist. His name was Carl Ernest von Baer. This Carl Ernest von Baer given von Baer Law. It's very famous law. Okay, and it's disapprove biogenetic law given by Ernest Haeckel. Okay, what this law say? This law have mainly 4 points, and that all 4 point what say, let's see. First point, the more general character appear earlier in the embryo than the special character. That means if embryonic development is going on, so at starting stage of the embryonic development all kind of general character will appear, but later as embryo will grow and then grow and then grow, the complicated kind of character, that particularly special character start to appear. As for example, like embryonic development is going on, of the vertebrate is going on, so at starting their vertebral column will form. Okay, and then if it is reptile, so the particular characters of the reptile that will appear, like their skin is dry, and that all kind of cornification, that all will appear. Okay, if you'll see the birds have fur and all, feather and all, that feather and all appear later stages. If it is human, then the mammary gland presence of the hairs on the body, that all structures are specialized for special character for that particular group, so it will appear later. Next point, you see, this next point says the embryo grow more special character, the embryo grow more special character of that group appear. As embryo grow, more special character of the group appear. Yeah, that point only. As embryo will develop more and more and more, the special character will develop more. Okay, special character means that group specific character will appear. Next point, very important. Every embryo of the given animal form, instead of passing through the other form, rather they separated from them. Try to understand it, a very minute point. See, like according to this point and next point, if embryonic development is going on in a particular group, so instead of crossing, like I have embryo A, right, and this embryo A is repeating some ancestral character, like suppose this embryo A is mammal and this mammal is repeating some character of fishes, so obviously they will show some and their characters of the fishes, but in embryonic development they will never, like you see, like gill appear here in embryonic development of mammals, gill appear. So according to our Carl, or I mean the Ernest Haeckel, that presence of gill represent adult fishes, but according to von Baer, that this presence of gill, okay, gill will present, but this mammal will never be like, this mammal will never show character of adult fish. They will never show character of adult fish. Maybe they are showing some character of the amphibian, like they have mesonephric kidney, but they will never show adult character of amphibian, right? Another very important point, the embryo of the higher form never resemble other form but only embryo. That means if I have an embryo of the higher form means like developed animals, like mammal is the most developed animal, so according to this point, the embryo of the higher form means embryo of this mammal will never resemble to other character except embryo of their ancestors. Yes, so if I have to take conclusion of these all 4 points for my purpose, according to our von Baer law, first 2 point conclude that during embryonic development at starting general characters will appear and later more and more kind of complicated character appear. Last 2 point actually conclude that during embryonic development During embryonic development, what happen, that embryo will show their ancestral character. The species whom they evolve, they will show, obviously they will show the character, but they will never cross their adult stage. Okay, fine, bye.